Good morning. Today we are going to do a spring replacement. This is the second job of the day, so I'm not sure if I should make one longer video or two shorter videos of every job. I don't know how I want to do it yet, so this is going to be one job earlier, going to be uploaded first, and then this is going to be uploaded afterwards. I'm going to unload the truck because there's stuff on the truck, and then I will make my way out to the job site. So I will see you there. So, right now I'm just unloading the truck. Just gotta take that section off. And we will be good to go to the other job. This is the shop for right now. I think it was in the last video, a little bit. Put it right here. Somebody will come and take it. I'm gonna take this strap, go through this little loop that it gives you, twist, boom. Now the excess is tied, it's not going anywhere. That's all you have to do. Alrighty, I am good to go. So I will see you guys at the job site. Alrighty, just got to the job site, talked to the customer, and we are all good to go. So I'm gonna get everything inside. Should be pretty simple. It is raining out. It's not ideal. This, boom. Come in here, grab my little scale. Yeah, so right now what I'm doing is I'm weighing the door. The amount of times I went to a job a month ago and the springs were 5 inches on each side too long. And the only reason I caught that was because I weighed the door. Alrighty, we are all good. I have the springs in my truck. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hi, Brandon.
Hello. I have a camera on my head, just so you know.
Okay.
Still waiting to hear from Jeff. He just talked to me, texted him. Well, he keeps stuff in place 3 times a week. The way it is now, you know. Oh, okay. That who, I don't know. The That's right. And how much easier it is too.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before.
You can tell.
Never done it.
Yeah, right.
I just read the instructions.
Yep.
That's my problem. I don't read this right. You get a workout every day going up and down that ladder, huh?
Tell me about it. The worst is when you're doing commercial and you're going up and down the two-piece.
Yeah.
Because, if I,
I have, but.
That's a nice horse.
Oh, sure.
Alrighty, moment of truth. Oh, my chalk. Pretty good. Boom. Alrighty, your door is working again. So your opener goes down too much.
Oh,
What's that?
Well, you can see. So what I'll do, I'll press the button
Yeah.
and you'll watch that whole rail unbend. You see it even retracts when I do it like that. So I don't think it needs to go down that far. So I'm gonna take some off.
Where are those settings at? Right in the middle? Or
Pardon?
those settings at, like right in the middle? Or?
Yeah, it's just a little screw in here. It really depends on what operator you have. All right, much better. Well, I'll just tighten everything, lube everything up, and you'll be good. That's it.
to lube the door or these pulleys.
Uh-huh.
You do it just in here, or do you?
So what I always do is I lube this part, so the bearings are inside the
Right.
roller in there, and then I lube both ends of the sleeves here
Okay.
because that's where it's twisting.
Gotcha.
And then I lube this curve so that
Not the whole rack. Just
not the whole thing.
where it sets on it when it rolls up.
Yep. And then I'll lube all of those grooves, and then there's a bearing on the outside. I'll lube that. And then there's a bearing in there, but when there's springs connected like that, you're not gonna really get them.
No, I mainly just with the rollers and all.
Yep. Alrighty, all done with that spring job. We were able to weigh the door, make sure it was correct, and we were able to make the customer happy. The door balanced perfectly. So like I said, customer was happy, lubed and tightened everything like always. Every single job we go to, lube and tighten. And so it was a smooth, good job. I appreciate you guys watching this one, and I will see you in the next one.